Today, we're diving deep into the world of refrigerator maintenance with a focus on the new refrigerator defrost heater designed for Maytag, Magic Chef, and more. With a slew of part numbers like AP4070699, PS2057764, and 61001846, this component promises to rejuvenate your appliance's functionality. Let's start with compatibility. This defrost heater seamlessly replaces a range of part numbers, including AP4070699, 29815-1, 52530-1, and many others. It's engineered to fit snugly into various refrigerator models, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. But compatibility is just the beginning. The real test lies in performance. Fortunately, this defrost heater doesn't disappoint. Designed to effectively tackle frost buildup, it helps maintain optimal temperature levels within your fridge, preserving the freshness of your food items. Plus, with its durable construction and reliable heating capabilities, it promises longevity and consistent performance. Installation is relatively straightforward, especially for those with basic DIY skills. However, if you're unsure, it's always wise to seek professional assistance to ensure proper installation and avoid any mishaps. In terms of durability, this defrost heater stands the test of time. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use, promising years of reliable service without compromising on performance. Overall, the new refrigerator defrost heater from Maytag, Magic Chef, and other compatible brands is a worthy investment for anyone looking to restore their refrigerator's efficiency. With its seamless compatibility, reliable performance, and durable construction, it's a must-have component for ensuring your appliance runs smoothly for years to come. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.